Well, she died. She was trying to bite me. Look how cute he is. Look how cute he is. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, she's so cute. Bro, choose an empty. What do you mean? Where's the seeds? Another seed. Hey, I want to order you some seeds. Bro, what kid? I just came here. What's this? Hey. Stay here. No. Chicago. I meant to name him General. Hey, General. No, you cannot spill. Don't spill it. Yes, let's keep eating. Let's don't go. What is she doing? She had more chirps than I thought. Hey. She's like full or something. She cannot eat. Wait, it's even more sick. Wow, she didn't. She is very. Go move your. Go to the food. Oh my god! And now she starts to eat on the ground. She likes eating on the ground. Hey, doesn't he stare? She was starting to stare at the screen at y'all because nobody smashed the like button. So you're going to make this smashing that like button right now. Oh, right again. Here you go, Gerald, so cute. Yep, she's the angriest cockatiel. She was like this. And whenever my fingers close to her, she always bites me. Really strong and always bleeds me. Oh, bro. Yep, I see this food. Bro, so damn cute. Don't eat my finger. My finger is not a food right now. Hey, wake up. Don't try to sleep. Don't try to sleep. Hey, why is my finger ain't my finger Aiden. My finger isn't a food.
No.
There's something. There's something in my finger. Eat it. Okay. I'm just giving more seeds right now.
خلاص خلاص خلاص
Here goes. To give him more seeds, so he'll be happy. She starts to eat himself. Oh, she's not. There she goes. No, she. Rest is so. Dude, can you just start eating, please? Start staring at the camera. She starts stare at the camera because one of y'all didn't stare. Well, because one of y'all didn't smash that like button. She's. Hey. Here.